Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to get better at chess with chess.com. So guys, if you want to improve on chess, just simply go ahead and go to learn over here. So guys, here on the learn, you will have here multiple options. You can either go for lessons over here. So when you go for lessons, you should be able to see here multiple options. So you can go for how to play, learn basic strategy, lesson library, analysis, chessable, classroom, insights, and games, practice, and aim chess. So each one of these is just a category. So let's say I'm going to choose learn a basic strategy over here. And as you can see, guys, right away, you should be able to click on explainer video. And from here, you should be able to discuss multiple challenges on chess. And when we go back over here, we should be able to go for lesson library as well, which you can choose a lesson that you would like to tackle. And from here, you should be able to filter out all levels, the team, and the instructor as well. So from here, pretty much you will have everything. So you can have opening as well on your lesson library, strategy, tactics, endgame, and master game. So from here, you pretty much have everything that you need to learn. And you can just simply select a course. And from here, you should be able to see multiple parts of the course. And you will have here multiple challenges. And another thing, guys, is you could do some puzzle over here, which you will have multiple options as well. So you can have puzzle, puzzle rush, battle, and daily puzzle. So from here, it will test your skill on the daily puzzle that you can do. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.